Hey everybody, it's Jen. I just wanted to go over the $99 July starter kit with you. This is such an exciting time of the year because it's summertime, and I know that maybe some people are looking to get some extra money over the summer for vacations and whatnot, or just because you want a lot of product for $99. This is an amazing time to sign up. Let me show you what we have for the month of July. We have this one, it's called Ain't That the Youth? It's a super moisturizing, full of vitamin C hand cream. This is non-scented and it is amazing. Super, super, super hydrating. This is the first thing you're going to get in your kit. The second one you're going to get is Honey Honey. This is a lemon and honey body lotion, and it's awesome because it's in a tube. It's in a super cute decorative tube, great for gifting or great for yourself. It smells like honey and lemon, and it's amazing. It's super thick and it's smooth and moisturizing, and all of our lotions are non-greasy, which is really fabulous. The next thing I'm going to show you here that's in the kit for $99 is PJ's All Day. This is a sugared body scrub. It has lavender and vanilla in it. It's amazing. I just got this out of my shower so I could show you all. And I love this. It makes my skin super, super soft. And it has the little sugar beads in it that exfoliate. It is fabulous. The next thing you're going to get is BFF. BFF has grapefruit oil in it. It has peppermint. I almost said spearmint. I don't know why I would have said that. Maybe it's the whole green thing. Peppermint, and it has aloe vera. It is great for exfoliating. Again, it has the little sugar beads in it. It's going to cleanse your face. It's going to get rid of your makeup, and it's going to exfoliate that dry layer of skin off of your face. This stuff is the biggest seller for me, and we use it around here all the time. This is an awesome, awesome face wash, okay? The next thing you're going to get is Totes Oats. This here is, it's a oats and honey and almond face and body mask. This is fabulous for those that have eczema or psoriasis, or if you get really bad sunburn. This is going to take the heat out of your sunburn. It's called Totes Oats, and it's just amazing, and it smells really great. It's a very, very soft scent of honey and almond, and it's in an oatmeal type base. Again, it's a mask. You can use it on your face or your body. Super calming. Another product that I'm going to show you is our Big Fat Yummy hand creams. These are super portable. They're TSA friendly because they're only 3 ounces, and they are made with coconut kernel oil and apricot kernel oil, and those two things make it so that they are non-greasy and they stay on your hands after washing. Super hydrating. These are Big Fat Yummy hand creams. I encourage you to check out my site and see all the different Big Fat Yummy hand creams that we have to offer. They are fabulous. Another one is our fizzies. This one is, I'm kind of a fig deal, and we have lots of different fizzies. They are a bath bomb, and that is another product that we sell through Perfectly Posh. And it's amazing. These are full of salt from the Great Salt Lake in Utah, and you'll get to try these out. Let's see, you're going to get 3 skin sticks. Our skin sticks are like a portable essential oil. So if you like essential oils, these skin sticks are about the size of a glue stick, and they are in a shea butter base, and they have essential oils. That's what they're filled with. So this one is the healer stick. This one is amazing. So everybody needs this in their home. I'm totally telling you the truth. This is great for burns. This is great for eczema, dry skin, cuticles. I don't know if you've ever like cut the skin underneath your fingernail and it burns or hurts really bad. This stuff is amazing to put in those areas. Great for dry elbows. It's also really good for the wintertime. I don't know if you guys have ever had really dry patches right here on your ears. The stuff is fabulous. I know that sounds really weird, but I know there's somebody else out there that has had dry patches here by their ears and it hurts. This stuff is amazing. Again, it's great for burns. It's great for sunburn. It's great. It's just like, so it's just a great product. And what it's filled with is vanilla and orange essential oil. Okay. Next one you're going to have in your $99 kit is the purifier. This one has tea tree oil. It's going to be great for bug bites. Great for the summer months. I know we're leaving here to go on our glamping trip, so I'm definitely going to bring ours with us. So yeah, this is amazing. It's called the purifier. The next one you're going to get is called Perk, and it has peppermint in it, and I'm bringing this as well. I have mine currently in our fridge, and it's great for headaches, but it's also great when you feel car sick. I am notorious for getting car sick, and so I'm taking mine with me, and just the smell of peppermint, rubbing it under your nose, putting it on your pressure points, it's amazing, and it works terrific. So this is called Perk. The last things you're going to be getting, and these are not the scents, but these are the chunk bars. You're going to get 2 chunk bars in your $99 kit. All this stuff that I've just showed you is well over worth $200, and you're going to get it all for $99. And if you wanted to just say, hey, I want all this stuff for $99, that's fine. You could sign up and just say you want it all for $99, and that's it. Or you can make a business out of it and sell some of it right off the bat and get your money back. It's amazing how this works. There's no pressure. Let me continue to explain what you get. You're going to get these 2 chunk bars, not these scents, but chunk bars. They're 7 ounces of shea butter. You're going to get milk in it, and that has goat's milk and honey. And then you're going to get Fields Better Soon, and that has lavender and oats, and smells delightful. I've sold both of those already, and I don't have them. I have more coming in the mail, but I don't have them yet. So you will also get, only time you can ever get this mask is when you sign up, and you'll only get one, and it's called the Ritual. It comes in pink, and it is super cleansing mask. I mean, it is a great cleansing mask, and that's what you're going to get in your $99 kit. So when you do sign up, I say sign up, but when you do the $99, just like if you were going online and you were purchasing something, you're going to just say, hey, I want the $99 kit, because you want everything in here. The stuff that they picked out for this month, let me tell you, is really amazing. It's stuff that you're going to be able to utilize and not be like, oh, what am I going to do with this? Or what am I going to do with that? Or I wanted that, but I didn't really want that. You are going to use everything in this kit. Okay, you really won't want to sell it, but if you wanted to, it's a great way to get your money back too. So you're going to get 3 pink bags. It's going to come in a box that looks like this, and it says, I am part of the brand I love. So you're going to get a box in a box at your doorstep, and you're going to get 3 pink bags. Now, I don't have the hot pink bags. I have the old bags from when I started up. So the new cute bags are just these size. They're just cute and more up to date. So you're going to get this one. You're going to get one big one, and it's going to have products. It's going to say products for my business. Now, if you sold everything that was in this one, then you'd get your $99 back. But I'm telling you, it's amazing. You're going to love it, and you're going to want to keep it. This one is Pampering for Me. And the way that Posh has broke everything up is so you have a chance to try everything yourself and see how you like the product before you've broke open your other bag that says products for my business, so that you can say, do I want to really sell it all, or do I want to keep it? But let me tell you, again, you're probably going to want to keep it. Then you're going to get another pink bag, and it's going to be full of 25 samples. So those samples you could take out and you can share them with your friends and family, or you can keep them for yourself if you do a lot of traveling, or just forever for whenever you want to utilize your little samples. So that is everything you're going to get in your $99 kit. Again, this is the month of July, so it's a brand new month, and it's exciting because, again, I would have to say that this is probably one of the best starter kits by far that I have really truly said that I love everything. I utilize every single one of these things in our house. Like, we have these products throughout our house that we use. So if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to send me a message. You can comment below, or you can Facebook message me. I would love to help you out and ask any question like about this about this Perfectly Posh $99 starter kit. Have a great day, everybody. Happy July.